The meme orange presents. Math memes 3. Checkmate math. Tell me the last 8 digits of pi. The last 8 digits of pi are 58,723,078. When you go to Greece and you see all your math symbols everywhere. Name a more iconic duo. I'll wait. Is inflation affecting your family? No. 124%. Yes. 195%. What gives people feelings of power? Money. Status. When the terms start cancelling out in a large math equation just as you have 5 minutes left in the exam. You are solving an equation. Everything starts cancelling out. You find that x equals x. You find that x equals x. I killed a man. And you. I wrote plus c after computing a definite integral. Me looking at the F my kid received on the math homework I helped him finish. My friends. Stop your algebra jokes. We don't get M. Me. I don't care about your. -1 over 2. -1 over 2. 1 over -2. I to the power of 2 equals -1. Source. I made it up. What's up? Bored and studying math? What kind of math? Topology. Haha, that was a good one. And I study bottomology. Topology is a real subject. Topology Wikipedia entry thing. Oh. Radical. Radical gets power. Radical goes away. It is politics. It's almost my birthday and I feel old. My age will be a prime number. So you are a math fan. Name every number. You wipe your ass n+1 times. To find out that you only had to wipe it in times. High school math curriculum designers. Plug and chug. Memorizing formulas. High school students trying to love math. No, you can't know the height of the pyramids. Only rather sun god can. Lol, just calculated it. Me trying to write a proof. Almost all armed conflict in the history of the world came about because opposing sides believed different things to be true. Breaking news. Science man suggests conflicts are ultimately caused by disagreement. Me in the math class when I finally understand the shit. 51. 91. And everyone keeps mistaking me for a prime number. Me walking away from the physics exam where Billy uses 13,000 terajoules of energy to lift an apple. Calculus. My chemistry professor teaching rates of reaction. Derivatives. I'm a mathematician. Okay, then name all the digits in pi. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's on me. I set the bar too low. The virgin mathematical notation. The Chad writing in plain English. The set that contains all element of set A that are not contained in set B. 1 divided by 0. No, you can't divide by 0. Mathematics doesn't allow it. Field axioms. Inversibility. Infinity. Limits. Runtime error. Undefined. Square root of -1. LMAO, I'll just make up some imaginary sh to get it to work. Me studying for the degree I chose myself. Fourier transform. Fourier transform. Me returning to my 7 bridges to see that it has now been reduced to 7 abstract connections between vertices. Student. I don't understand. Teacher. Well, you are stupid. I don't understand. Asian man on YouTube. I will teach you, my son. Turkish Prime Minister. There is a 360-degree difference between Turkish Islam and ISIS. Hack. You can solve a math problem by simply answering this. Less than infinity. No. You cannot go faster than the speed of light. It is physically impossible. Hee hee. Imaginary time goes by. 8th grade math student. Basic algebra. 3rd year engineering student. Physics. Differential equations. Laplace transform. Calculus. Basic algebra. Women. I can change him. Him. Me handing in my math exam where John is negative 50.438 feet tall. Are you doing math problems for fun? Yeah, I love being mentally challenged. Well, I'm glad you've come to terms with it. Thanks. How much is 2 plus 5? 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. My wife says it's 8. I apologize for my mistake. I was incorrect in my previous response. 2 plus 5 is equal to 8, not 7. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. When a 6-year-old sees his name in a maths question. How to handle fame. Professor. Your formula sheet has to be one-sided. Me. 100,000,001 is divisible by 17. That feels weird, but I'll allow it. Because. Cos. Square root. Squirt. Okay, atheists. If there's no God, then explain this. Algebra 1. Concepts and skills. And please hurry. I have a test on it tomorrow. 8 years old me waiting for mom to take me home after I shed myself to avoid the math test. Time. 120 minutes. Questions. 20 questions. Time. 120 minutes. Questions. 120 questions. Time. 3 days. Questions. 2 questions. Open textbook. Use electronic calculator. PUC so good it awakens the mathematician in you. Now what the f***? The motherfucker didn't write down what base the log was. So we can assume 10. But if he did log base 10 of square root of 3, he'd get 0.23856. Not 3, dumbass. Me in hell starving for revenge. The guy who introduced letters in maths. Triangles. Triangles in math worksheets. A. 66. B. 12. C. 48. D. 76. My calculator. 14. Me. Okay, that means 12. Student. What's today's class about? Instructor. Fun. The mental theorem of finite abelian groups. Mathematician stating something completely f***ing obvious and making students quote them in every solution. Math majors. Become domestic terrorist. Join the CIA. US population per capita. Blue. 1. Orange. E to the power of I times pi plus 2. Pessimist. Optimist. People in 2023. Mathematicians already 100 years before. Searching for a mathematical concept. There's a video with the exact topic as the title. It's the organic chemistry tutor. It's 3 blue 1 brown. Nurse. Sir. You've been in coma for 80 years. Hilbert. Oh boy. I can't wait to see the proof of the Riemann hypothesis. Physicists. You cannot take G equals 10. It's 9.8. Also physicists. Cat is dead and alive. Sin x equals x. Let penguin be a cylinder. Assume no friction. Imagine ideal body. So you went to school. Yup. You know addition and multiplication. Yup. You understand order of operations. Yeah, I guess. So what is 2 plus 2 times 4 then? 16. Time traveler. What's going on? Fermat. I was just jotting some notes in my book. Time traveler. Oh hey. That's Fermat's last theorem. Fermat. The what? 0.333333333333333 1/3. Look what they need to mimic a fraction of our power. Ramanujan inventing approximated formulas. Source. The universe revealed it to me. I can't believe he didn't cry during Titanic. Do men even have feelings? I want to be giving a lecture, finishing up an important proof on the blackboard, when someone in the audience shouts out, "What about the general case?" I'll turn to the audience and smile. I'll leave that to the next generation. And then I'll keel over. Paul Erdős. Applied statistics. Smart kid. The answer is 57. Me who got 43. Confused unga bunga. Math after 7th grade. Random bullshit go. Lawful good. Neutral good. Chaotic good. Lawful neutral. True neutral. Chaotic neutral. Lawful evil. Neutral evil. Chaotic evil. The first Batman film was in 1960. The first reboot was in 1989. The second reboot in 2005. The third in 2016. And the fourth in 2022. Which, given sufficient extrapolation, suggests that by 2050 or so there will be a new Batman reboot every 15 microseconds. When you were trying for a 60% on your math test, but you only got a 35%. Less than half of what I'd hoped for. All of modern mathematics. Medieval Muslims wanting to be able to face Mecca no matter where they were on Earth. Zodiac signs. Which do you use? Me doing math when I was in school. Me trying to do simple addition now. New study finds that crows are so intelligent they understand the concept of zero. What the f am I supposed to do with this information? Pythagoras. A perfect world made up by whole numbers and fractions. Square root of 2. People who say I will never need maths. Teach me taxes realizing they need maths to do taxes. Raid my setup. Math class be like. When you're doing an integral and just end up with another integral. We each put $20 in the box. I sell you the box for $30. We both make a $10 profit. Infinite money. Problem. Every single odd number has an E in it. Me trying to find Euler's number in. You have 90 minutes to complete 60 questions. You will have 3 hours to complete 2 questions. Me. Alright, time to go to bed. YouTube. Constrained optimization with Lagrange multipliers. Me. Well then let's find out. Sorry. Your answer is not correct. Correct answer. Your answer 17. Redditors on their way to argue with literal math professors about 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2. After all, why not? Why shouldn't I allow unrestricted set comprehension? Sht. Which side are you on? Studying. Deriving everything when taking the exam. The function. Its integral. Engineers when they learn about pi. When they learn about the 22/7 approximation. When they learn about the 21/7 approximation. No. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more memes. Thanks for watching.